Oh, but if you can cover that.
I was gonna say, if you can cover that, it's not too bad.
No.
What do you think?
That's quite good, actually. That's really good.
It's really good, isn't it?
Proud.
It's really good. I'm a proud son.
Do you want to sit on this part of the sofa and see what it looks like?
No, I think it's alright. Well, if Abby wants to. At what point do I get into frame?
You're already in the frame.
That's his son. Oh.
The only thing.
When do you come out of it? About here?
No, I can still see you.
No.
I'm serious.
Really?
Okay.
I'm out of the room. I can see around the corner.
No,
But can you see him from the bathroom?
I can see the bathroom door. Yeah, I can definitely see you.
Oh my god.
So obviously it looked more funny and kind of scary at the same time.
Hello. Hey. Come on.
Oh my god, how are you?
Yeah, good. Come on in. Come on in. I've literally disinfected everything. So.
Oh my god, so...
Yeah, literally all
Can
the
I help
handles.
you? I don't even know.
No, you're good. You're good. Everything's been disinfected, so you're good to come in. Oh, you cut your hair. Oh, it looks really nice. I like it.
Thank you. What was I gonna say? Yeah, the journey was alright.
Yeah.
It was... The bus was pretty empty, but the streets are like packed.
Oh yeah. That is fully disinfected for you to sit.
This is new. Oh my god.
It's still the same, isn't it?
It feels new. Have you like you've rearranged the table?
I think I've just moved stuff. But yeah, take a seat.
Oh my
Take a
god,
seat.
you're dope. Thank you. I'll wash my hands first though.
Oh yeah, just whack it and go in
Yeah.
there. Yeah.
Cool. Is Nelly home or not?
Huh? No, she's at work at the moment.
Okay. It's alright. I'll wash
Yeah,
it.
go do both because we don't. That's only got normal soap in there.
Oh, okay. Smart. I rate that. Okay. Thank you. When is she back? When is Nelly back?
She'll be back at about 5:30. How's the new place?
Oh, it's so nice. Thank you.
Yeah. When did you move in?
Last Saturday.
Is it good? Do you like it?
It feels like because I was showing our lot on Sunday last Sunday.
Yeah.
It was like Dachi Kelsey, Gopi, Priya, Aki. I think I'll make it, but yeah. And I was showing them around, and they were like, "Oh, it looks like an Airbnb." And I got that vibe after. I was like, "Oh, it does."
I'm really looking forward to it.
It's pretty dope. Yeah, you must come. It's actually really, really good. So me and one of my housemates are there at the moment, and then 2 of my friends are staying with us until Tuesday.
Oh, nice.
Yeah, because until their tenancy starts, basically. So yeah. Oh, by the way.
Oh,
it's
stuff.
got the okay. Double cream, lemons. Couldn't find just one. So there you go. I got this for you and Nelly, so you can have it later. Someone in the toilet.
Sometimes it does just go on. That is really good. Hello? Is Nels it? Nels?
Oh my gosh. Wait a minute!
Hey,
Wait a minute!
what's going on?
Wait a minute! Oh my god!
Hey!
No, you didn't! No, you didn't!
Hey, you got a haircut!
No, you didn't! Someone else is in there!
Hey!
Oh my god, I could cry! Oh my god, who else is in there?
Oh, it was just me and Peter.
I saw someone else.
The toilet's not working wrong. I tried to flush. This wasn't going through.
Hello, I can't even hug you.
I know, I know you can't
Can I elbow tap you both?
Yeah, we'll tap.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Oh, there we are.
Someone else is in there.
I just peed.
Are you sure?
Yeah, I mean, if you want to see, that's what I meant. It was peeing.
I've got to check. I've got to check. I have to. Hello? Okay, you've had fair warning. I'm taking a shit. Oh my gosh! Oh my god, I could cry. Come here, I want to hug you. I'm just going to press this again.
We here. That's right, buddy. You've just been punked. You've just been. Say hi to the camera. Say hi to the camera.
What?
Well, yes, right.
We out
As you
here.
can see, you've got some salmon. All right.
Caught this morning.
You caught that friend? Well, you
This
can catch
morning.
it.
£5 for 11 hours, and then having a time.
What are we making today?
They're not coming here.
We are making salmon curry.
I hope anyway. We'll see what happens.
He's gonna go wash his hands first. Always make sure you
Why are you doing this?
Pretty slippery. Are you connected to the Wi-Fi?
They understand. They don't force me to, so she does like that.
I'm expecting the highest quality of fish, which apparently he caught himself. He like waded into the sea, you know. I'm expecting a lot.
So what's gonna happen after you slice these?
I literally just don't do much with it. You literally just leave it. Yeah. You kind of just soak it in some leather and then.
So after this, though, what are you chopping after? The coriander?
Yeah, I think the coriander. To be fair, the coriander is like quite late on anyway, so I probably do that after I put this in the pan.
How many onions did you use?
3.
3.
Yeah, I've not ever done this curry this big, so hopefully it'll taste alright.
How confident are you that your dish is gonna be exactly how you planned out to be?
I hope so. Like I said, I'm trying to cook a salmon curry. If it turns out into a chicken curry, I'm sorry.
I'm expecting 10 out of 10 salmon. I heard he caught the fish by hand himself in the Brighton Sea. I'm very excited.
That's where everything's going in. What's that? Or I could just flop. I'll just be like, no, but this is order. Yeah, well.
There you go.
Weird.
So how much is there left to do, Rahul?
I'm gonna put some tamarind water in. Gotta put all the spices in. Hopefully. Well, I say spices, gotta put powders in. A bit. It's the nicest, it's the weirdest, it's probably like the nicest one, but also the easiest, so it's just like,
Yeah.
I always just want to do this one.
Cool.
Come on.
Can't be curry if it's not spicy, am I right?
Yeah, exactly. There we go, there's a fish cut. There's a fish
Yeah,
colour in it.
here we go.
Just the colour that you want.
Yeah,
It smells good even.
It smells good. It's delicious.
That's what I want.
Let's hope our guests like it.
Imagine they eat it and it's like, what the? This is
Oh no, I want to fix.
what? I'm gonna stop. Because I'm gonna see Harry just like running for the bin, spitting in it. Just finding my shoe and spitting in it. Crap. What? Okay. Cool. I was expecting bullet chilies.
Every Indian's worst nightmare.
Yeah. They don't have the right chili. Yeah, there we are. That's the chili you want. Bullet. You know, coriander, there's some people are genetically, they can have a tongue that like, means that when they try it, it tastes like soap.
I see.
And it's like, it is completely genetic, so some people are literally tuned to not like coriander.
Huh.
It's funny that, isn't it? It might actually overflow a bit, but hey, it doesn't matter.
It's okay, there's a lot of us.
Honestly, have I added too much coriander? Yes. Do I love coriander? Yes. It's just such a nice flavour. But I'm like, oh god, I've messed it up. That's so good. If I do say so myself. Yeah, that's good. Spicy though. Oh. Yeah, that's spicy. That's really good though. Good. Hopefully the others will like it. Spicy though. I can still feel it. Just this garlic. That's fine, coriander. Basically, it's just a coriander dish.
Love coriander.
Yeah, it's just so nice. When you put double cream and when it's hot, it still stays watery. Double cream only thickens up when it gets cold. It.
Really?
There's like so much in there.
Oh
I don't know if
wow,
you can
I'll
see it.
take with
Damn, that is crazy.
So much salad, oh my god. I mean, this is your one, I'm pouring out.
Is that my plate?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. 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 Okay.
Pause that for the food.
Yeah. Coriander. Oh yeah, Corey Bay.
Corey Bay.
Corey Bay. Yes. There's the money shot. Yeah. Okay. Okay.
Both of them, yeah.
Yeah.
It doesn't mean.
Thank you.
It's exactly the same.
Wait, thank you, bro. What a blessing. What a big love,